An apartment. An apartment. An apartment. An apartment. A house. A house. A house. A door. A door.
A television. A television. A television. A television. A radio. A radio. A radio. Computers. Computers.
A desktop computer. A desktop computer. A desktop computer. A desktop computer. A laptop. A laptop. A laptop. Computers. Computers.
An apartment, a door, a house, a computer, a television, a radio.
The apple is on the computer. The radio is on the chair. The cat is on the television. The computer is on the table.
The keys are in the shoe. The cat is in the hat. The computer is in the car.
The man is in the car. The man is on the car. The cat is in the house. The cat is on the house. A window. A window. A window. A window. A toilet. A toilet. A toilet. A sink. A sink.
A living room. A living room. A living room. A living room. A kitchen. A kitchen. A kitchen. A bathroom. A bathroom.
A living room. A bathroom. A kitchen. A window. A toilet. A sink.
The apples are in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. The table is in the kitchen. The kitchen is in the house.
The woman is in the apartment.
The girl is in the apartment.
The family is in the house. The boy is in the house.
This door is small. This door is big. This window is small. This window is big.
The computer is in the bedroom. The family is in the dining room. The man is in the dining room. The cat is in the bedroom. The bathroom is green. The house is green. The kitchen is green. The living room is green. The dining room is green. The bedroom is green.
The boy and his grandmother are cooking. The boy and his grandfather are in the bathroom. The girl and her grandmother are in the dining room. The girl and her grandfather are playing.
The mother is hugging her daughter. The sister is kissing her brother. The father is hugging his son. The husband is kissing his wife. She is hugging her grandmother. He is kissing his son.
We're hugging.
She is kissing her husband.
I love my grandfather. I love my sister.
I love my brother.
I love my mother.
The boy loves his grandfather. The parents love their children. The girl loves her dog. The wife loves her husband.
The girls are hugging. The man and the woman are kissing. The love their mother. The children love their mother.
I love my baby.
The dog is under the shirt. The boys are under the bed. The cat is under the table.
The cat is under the table.
I am under the bed.
I am on the bed. The cat is on the table.
The man is on the car. The man is under the car. The man is in the car.
The girl is on the bed. The girl is under the bed. The man is on the car. The man is under the car.
The cat is watching the fish. The parents are listening. The child is listening. The boys are watching television.
The girl is listening to the radio. The parents are watching their children. The man is listening to the radio. The boy and girl are watching the fish.
The woman is standing. The man is standing. The boy is sitting. The girl is sitting.
The son is standing in the living room. The mother is sitting in the kitchen. The daughter is sitting in the living room. The father is standing in the kitchen.
The man is standing. The woman is standing. The man is sitting. The woman is sitting. The woman is sitting.
Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
Is this your hat?
No, this is not my hat.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Is this your ball? Yes, this is my ball.
Where are my keys?
Where is my coat?
Your keys are in the car.
Your coat is on the chair.
Where are my books?
Your books are on the chair.
Where is my cup?
Your cup is in the sink.
Is he? Brother? Is he your brother?
Yes, he is. Brother. Yes, he is my brother.
Where is newspaper? Where is my newspaper?
Newspaper is on the table. Your newspaper is on the table. Where are the shoes? The shoes are under the bed. Where is the newspaper? The newspaper is on the bed.
Where are the cups? The cups are in the sink. Where are the plates? The plates are in the sink.